What's up, YouTube? Week number 3, post number 3. Apparently, I don't sing popular songs, so I'm looking for some. Help me out. What you think I should sing? Comment, post for me. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. Today, I'm singing Caged Bird by Alicia Keys. Here we go. Right now, I feel like a bird, caged without a key. Everyone come to stare at me with so much joy and reverie. They don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile, I cry. They don't know what they're doing to me, keeping me from flying. That's why I say that. I know why the caged bird sings. His only joy comes from song. He's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set him free so he can fly, 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 spreading his wings and his song. Let him fly, 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 for the whole world to see. Let me know what you think, YouTube.